Come on, let's have a cheer. Okay, now I'm going to bring a gentleman out, our Mayor, Councillor John Knight. Here he comes. Mr. Mayor, you've got a lot of people here. Would you like to say a couple of words to them?
As well. Merry Christmas to you all. Thank you.
There you are. So let's spend our money in Trowbridge. That's the main thing. Okay. Now, I wonder who we all come to see, who's due in the next 28 days. Would that be Santa Claus? Wow. Who'd like to see Santa Claus tonight? Oh, blimey, that's no good. He won't hear you if you don't shout louder than that. Hello, Santa, come on. Hold on. Oh, Santa Claus. Wow. Come this way, Santa. Come this way. All these boys and girls have come to see you tonight, and a big thank you for coming. What sort of journey have you had to get here?
Horrendous.
Horrendous? Is that because we've got lots of water and no snow? Well, okay then, you come and stand that side, Santa. Would that be okay? Okay. Just say a couple of words to them, please.
Evening, everyone. Excellent. Kids, all looking forward to Christmas? Excellent. Well, enjoy the turning on of the lights. I know it's going to happen in a few minutes, so enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you. Nice big round of applause then for Rainby. Yay! A rhythmic gymnastic. A young lady who's taken part in World, European, Great Britain Championships, won many medals, competed in this year's Olympics. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Trowbridge, please welcome Francesca Fox. Here we are, Francesca. I'm just going to ask her a couple of questions. How did you feel when you competed in the Olympic Championships this year?
It was absolutely amazing, and I would do it all over again.
Wow, that is fantastic. Boys and girls, I know you want to know, on her costume that she wore, her mother Anne actually sewed onto the costume the week before 5,000 sequins and diamantes. Wow, blimey. They only came from Austria, I think, the week before. So we were really hoping it was going to be there.